Hi folks, you never guessed where I am. Yes, I'm back at the mountain because I got to do it again. I'm going to climb up there again and do it again.
I don't believe it.
For those of you who don't know where I am, I'm up here. It's called Tumbalam. And last week I climbed up there and the drone didn't record. So we're gonna fucking do it all again. Some people think I'm mad. I've just realised I fucking am mad. You come and try? Well, here I am again. I'm halfway up. Have a breath. Have a breather. You can't really see what I'm seeing. Well, you can, but you can't see it as good as I am seeing. I don't know if there's another way. Let's go up there, is there? See where that goes. Okay, we'll go a bit further. Well, I went up to another level. I'm a fair way up now. Oh, you gotta be in the fucking picture anyway. Well, fellas, are you addicted, are you? That's a fair climb. That's a fair old climb, I'm telling you. At least now we can go 400 foot. What's left up there is maybe 200, so we know we can clear that with the drone. If it works today, there'll probably be something missing. Now you watch. What have I forgot today, Bob? The SIM card is in. I did check, but oh no.
I don't believe it.
The batteries are not in here. I don't fucking believe that. 2 batteries. Look. I didn't put the batteries in. I've had enough now. I'm going to sell this piece of fucking shit. Good exercise, but fucking hell. Troy's had a good run, hasn't he? I just can't face it no more. I'm obviously getting a bit senile or something. The brain is definitely malfunctioning. This was the aftermath of a couple of assholes setting fire to the mountain right over the other side, about fucking 4 miles away. But it spread. The wind pushed it right up over here. It was due to start heading down there, but that was in one of my videos. You'll see the helicopters picking up water from the local reservoir down there. So what can I say? I honestly don't know what to say. Apart from, what a great video, Rob. You want to do this hiking video more often? It's all it's turned into be, is an hiking video, not a drone video. Over there, that's the Severn Bridge, and that's the new Severn Bridge. There's not an easy way to get up here because they blocked off the other ways because of motorbikes and obviously fire starters who wants to rage this sort of fucking damage. I must be the laughing stock of the drone community. My head's just not doing it. You know, I'm surprised I managed to get up here, to climb up here. Is one hell of a climb. I've done that once up there. I did that once because some prazak scattered my parents' ashes up on top of there. They spread their ashes Don't ask me. He's a bigger fucking nutcase than me, but I thought, you know, I felt like something was calling me up here, so I managed to climb all the way up there. And I sat down and had a think about life. So now I've climbed up to here, them rocks by there. We gotta go back down there, and no batteries. I don't know. So it's not normal. So for those who was with me last time, we got to there. Remember that little turnstile there? We got to there and we flew the drone, and it was all fucking lovely, doubly. Fucking hell, look at me, I can fly a drone. And for some reason, the drone didn't record. I say for some reason, it's always was on auto record. As soon as it takes up off the floor, it comes on auto record. This time it didn't, according to Jason I was talking to earlier. It's a common fault with litchi. So little heads up, little warning. Don't take litchi for granted, because litchi can kick you in the balls as well, you know what I mean? Like everybody else on this planet, they all want to kick you in the balls. So be careful and check. Alright, somebody says, well, it's never ever happened to me. Well, it's fucking never ever happened to me before either. I'm just telling you it could. So it's easier going down than coming up. Perhaps I should start bringing my camera and just fucking doing still shots, you know what I mean? Because there's some lovely photography here. I don't know. It's lucky I can make something out of nothing. So we'll get a video out of this just for my stupidity. What can I say? I apologise. I apologise for being thick. I apologise for being stupid. I apologise for being forgetful. And everything else that goes with it.
I do